Hello guys, welcome back to Ngo Baby's Kitchen. Please like my video and share. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make beef burrito. Stay tuned and watch. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, watch this video. Let's begin. You will love it.
You know you the ginger. If you know how you the cause it drop. Shit, you know go one person.
I use bell pepper, onion, spring onions, garlic, cheese, and minced beef, tortilla wrap, oil, jumbo crayfish flavor, pepper, black pepper, and salt. So now we begin. Add oil in the pan, little oil, because we are going to fry the garlic. Now we add onions. Add spring onions also, then on turn it. We add bell pepper. Now we add little salt. After adding salt, you add your minced beef. Then you turn it very well. Now we open it. We add jumbo crayfish flavor, all the seasoners. These are the seasoners I use. Make sure you turn it very well and make it to dry. All the seasoners I use is this: oregano, black pepper. It depends on you, but use this type of seasoner. Try to watch it. Your children will love it. Yummy, yummy is here. Then you cover it a bit. Now we add little tomato. Little. You turn it very well. Now it's ready. This is the finishing. We have to start doing the wrap. You add cheese, add 1 spoon. It depends how many of you that eating it. We are 7 in number to eat this. Then you start wrapping it. After wrapping it, then you add little butter on the pan. Little butter. Make sure you add little. Now we put it on the pan. Wow. Guys, this is outcome of beef burrito. Wow. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. See you next week with another banging recipe. Peace.
You know you the ginger. If you know how you the cause it drop. Shit, you know go one person.